Hi and welcome to a new Tech Stuff episode on my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about this simple sticky pad which I got from Banggood, and I was really surprised how good they work, how extremely well they stick. It's really unbelievable what you can do with these, and I just do an uncut video just to show you what happens if you put these sticky pads like I did it here on your race quad, for example. So I just cut out a piece of pad like this, put it on the quad without any tape or something, and here I have my battery. It's a 1575C battery 4S, and now I'm just gonna put it on the quad like this, and I don't put the Velcro on it, nothing. I can turn it away, turn it around, shake the quad. I even can take it on the battery, shake the whole quad, and the quad doesn't fall off. So no joke, no fake. This thing is incredible how it fits. Now let's take off the battery again. It even sticks on the battery itself. I'm gonna take it off like this. Stays in shape, no problem. Can put it back on the quad, put the battery back on the quad, and sticks again like crazy. And now let's try some dirt. Here we have some dirt. Let's put it in. So that is really dirty like this, like you have it on the field with your race quad after a few crashes. So like this, I think it wouldn't stick again. So let's try, and no chance, it falls off. Now what you have to do, just take some water, clean the sticky pad like this, dry it a bit, just make sure that it's more or less dry. Don't have to be absolutely perfect dry, but more or less. Put it back on your quad, perhaps try again like this. So like this we're sure it's pretty dry. Let's put the battery back on it and we're good to go. It fits again. That's absolutely crazy. Now it's a bit wet on this side, so let's dry the quad again, and the sticky pad, put it back on. Now we have it really dry. Try it once again, put the battery on the quad, and let's see. Yeah, that's absolutely insane. That's crazy how this sticky pad works. Like this, you don't need any Velcros. You don't need any double-sided tape to fix your sticky pad or whatever you use. Just use these things. These are $1 or $2 from Banggood, and you can cut down for one of these pads. You can use for 4 or 6 quads, whatever, and you can take it from one quad to another. It's pretty perfect. So that will be my solution. You can also put it over screws, because you can take it away, unscrew, rescrew your screws, put it back on. You don't need to replace it with another piece of sticky pad. It just works that simple, and it's really crazy how well this thing fits. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumb up if you like it, comment, share and subscribe, and as always, happy flying. Bye bye.